Start.
Hello, good morning. My name is Godwin Moses Omenuko, of course, of Omenuko Lifestyle channel on YouTube. So today I want to actually change some of the light bulbs in my house. So I'm going to be showing you how I change that, how to change light bulbs in your house. These are things you can do yourself. Because my hands are really messy because I've actually been changing some. So before I started this video, so I'm going to show you, we're going to go outside now and I'll show you how to change the light bulbs in your house. Some of these bulbs, I've used them for like 2 years and some um, were destroyed by lightning sometime last year. So these are basically security bulbs I have in the house. So I'd like you to join me as I show you how to change light bulbs in your house. And for this purpose, I prefer to use the energy saving bulbs, LED, light emitting diode, energy saving bulbs in my house, and I'll be changing my security bulbs to using the 15 watts bulb. So kindly join me outside as I to go and continue the changes. Hello, good morning, everybody. If you're tuning into Omenuko Lifestyle channel for the first time, I want to welcome you. We showcase different things that happens around the home, around my life, and all that. So on today's episode, I'll be showing you how to change the electric bulb around the home. And we're actually changing. We've been using in the home front. Most of our security lights are LED bulbs. So I just got myself an energy saving AKT bulb. So as you can see, I've changed quite a few already, like the ones around the home garden. I've changed them. You can see there are three here, and around the backyard there are some right here also. But for the one I want to change now is quite a little bit higher than what others are. You can see this has not been changed, so it's dead, and I'll be changing that right now. So for this episode, what we'll be needing is the electric bulb itself. We'll be needing a screwdriver and also a ladder because it's quite high. For the lower ones, you don't really need a ladder, but for the high one, you need a ladder. Some of the things that causes this bulbs to die is usage. How long have you used them? Like these ones have served for like 3 to 4 years, which is quite fair enough. Or when you have some kind of surges, it destroys the bulb, and you have to pay attention to them from time to time. So let's go right ahead to it and change this bulb. So we just go up the ladder and we'll first of all unscrew the whatever it is that is holding the bulb. We'll unscrew the covering. I'll just place this on this side and unscrew the previous bulb from the lamp holder. For this, I prefer using the screw bulbs. Because I just screw them inside, it's easier to hold. Then I bring out the new bulb and I just screw it back inside the new energy savings bulb. Now for this purpose, I already put it on such that once it comes on, it's just easy to know that it's okay. And voila, our light is up. Then I screw it back in place with my screwdriver. And that is it. We have our light back on. So these are some of the simple hacks you can do yourself at home. Thank you for watching Omenuko Lifestyle channel. Subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you very much.